HSEstudy family, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most underestimated dangers in the workplace, electricity. Now, you might be thinking, I know how to plug things in, I'm careful. It's no big deal, right? But here's the truth. It is a big deal, and one mistake can change your life forever. I want you to imagine this. You're on shift, just doing your job. Maybe you're fixing a light, moving a ladder, or checking a breaker. Then bam, an arc flash. A worker goes down, his gloves melted, his face shield charred. That actually happened last year in Louisiana. A 29-year-old electrician was working on a panel he thought was de-energized. No lockout, no tag, just assumptions. He lived, but he's got burns on 40% of his body. That's what we're here to prevent. So buckle up. We're going to walk through real dangers you face every day, OSHA rules that can save your life, and 5 smart ways to avoid getting shocked, burned, or worse. And if you're serious about staying safe, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new safety tip from us at HSEstudy. All right, let's talk facts. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, in 2023, more than 150 workers in the U.S. died due to electrical injuries. Another 1,500 suffered serious injuries, burns, nerve damage, cardiac arrest, and most of these were preventable. These aren't just numbers. These are dads, moms, brothers, sisters, real people. And here's what OSHA is doing about it. Under OSHA's Subpart S, 29 CFR 1910.301 to 399, employers are required to identify electrical hazards, provide proper PPE lockout and tagout equipment before maintenance, train employees regularly on electrical safety procedures. And if they don't, in 2025, the average OSHA fine for a serious violation jumped to $16,131 per infraction. For willful violations, over $161,000. That's money, lawsuits, injuries, and lost lives. So what are the dangers? Where are they hiding? Let's break it down. 1. Overhead power lines. The #1 killer in electrical incidents. They're silent. They look harmless, but they carry thousands of volts. In 2024, a painter in Texas died after his metal ladder touched a 12,000 volt line. He never saw it coming. Rule of thumb? Always stay at least 10 feet away from live lines and use fiberglass ladders, not metal ones. 2. Faulty or frayed wiring. Cracked cords, overloaded outlets, worn insulation. That's all it takes. In New Jersey, a mechanic got shocked by a handheld grinder wired with exposed copper. One spark near fuel. That's a fire waiting to happen. 3. Improperly grounded tools. Every electric tool should be grounded or double insulated. No ground, that electricity can travel through you. Test tools before use. If you feel even a small tingle, stop immediately. 4th, wet conditions. Electricity plus water equals a deadly combo. Using tools with wet hands or standing on a damp floor, you might as well be standing in a puddle with a toaster. So, how do we stay safe? Let's talk about 5 steps that can save your life. Step 1. Lockout, tagout. Every time. Before doing repairs or maintenance, lockout and tag the power source. Use OSHA-approved tags, padlocks, and follow your company's energy control plan. Don't just flip a switch and assume it's safe. Verify, lock it, tag it, test it. One missed lockout caused a worker in Ohio to be electrocuted while cleaning a machine that was still live. Step 2. Gear up with proper PPE. You wouldn't walk into a fire without a suit, so don't handle electricity without protection. We're talking rubber-insulated gloves, face shields, flame-resistant clothing, and insulated tools. Check your PPE before every shift. Tears, cracks, or expired gear, replace it. And make sure it's rated for the voltage you're working with. One Florida technician in 2024 avoided a serious injury because her arc-rated face shield absorbed a 3,000-degree flash. That's the difference gear makes. Step 3. Inspect equipment daily. Every cord, every plug, every tool. No excuses. Look for exposed wires, burn marks, missing ground prongs, loose parts. Don't assume it's someone else's job. It's yours too. Report problems immediately. Don't make do. Step 4. Stay dry, stay smart. Keep electrical tools and outlets away from wet areas. If you must work in damp conditions, use ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs. These shut off power in milliseconds if there's a leak. They're cheap, they're easy, and they save lives. Step 5, train like your life depends on it, because it does. Electrical safety training isn't one and done, it's ongoing. OSHA requires qualified workers to be trained in identifying and avoiding hazards. Run monthly toolbox talks, practice lockout drills, review emergency procedures. In 2024, a New York warehouse evacuated in under 90 seconds during a real electrical fire because they practiced it. So, what's the takeaway? Electricity demands respect. It doesn't give second chances. But the good news? You're in control. You can take steps today to protect yourself and your team. So here's your challenge, HSEstudy crew. This week, inspect one tool, check the cord, test the plug. Look at the label. If something feels off, tag it and report it. That's how safety starts, with one choice. And hey, if you got value from this, do me a favor. Like this video, share it with your team, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip that could save a life. And head over to HSEstudy.in for free checklists, training guides, and OSHA updates tailored for American workers like you. You're the heart of safety. Let's keep each other safe. Every shift, every site, every single day. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next one.